Chicken and rice keeps your abs nice. Yeah, I don't have abs, by the way, for the record. Just everyone in this room, I'll let you know that. Hi, I'm Joshua Weissman. I cook food, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about my diet. Obviously, cooking professionally for the majority of my life.
Bonjour.
I feel like I'm under heavy scrutiny of what I eat day to day. Oh, he must be making every single little thing from scratch. While that is true 9 times out of 10, I also like to eat normal things. You know, if there's a bag of Cheetos lying on the counter, I have zero self-control and I will eat it. Probably the whole thing. Definitely the whole thing. But I feel like I have a good balance of the two. So oftentimes I want something fancy, but I usually am gonna fold for something a little easier. Start of the day, I'll probably have a protein shake and some toast. Pretty boring. I hate it. I don't like it, but I do it for the sake of my health. I go to the gym, and then as soon as I come back, same exact thing, protein shake, piece of toast, still hating it at that point. Once lunchtime rolls around, it depends on what I have in the kitchen, but usually I have that bag of sous vide chicken breast, which, okay, here we go. Everyone's gonna start flooding in and be like, oh my God, he sous vides his chicken breast. Oh, he has to do everything fancy. It just makes life easier, okay? If you've never tried sous vide, doing a sous vide chicken breast, bunch of bags, you put it in your fridge, you're just making your life easier. It's not that complicated. I'll grill that or I'll sear it, baste it with a little bit of butter, cut it up, and then I'll serve that with rice, vegetables. It's pretty plain. For dinner, probably will be something cooked fresh. Honestly, if I'm really busy, I'll Uber Eat something healthy. There are some local joints near me that make great salads, and I'll make the dressing myself. That is the key. Order your salad and make the dressing yourself, because most salad dressings are complete and utter garbage. And then after that, it's just water. Lots of water, and lots of going to the bathroom. Ultimate cheat meal. Oh man. Well, to me, an ultimate cheat meal would be more about an experience than it would be about just eating a bunch of food that's nasty and high calorie, right? I want to have an experience. So I'll maybe create my own tapas. And I know that sounds fancy, but anything can be tapas. It doesn't have to be like fine dips and perfectly julienne carrots, although that is nice depending on your mood, but it could totally be, maybe you have a little bit of sushi over here, maybe you have a little bit of pizza over here. Make it a multicultural dance, all right? Just take moments in between and enjoy each bite. You can have a layering of experiences in one. So let's see, I work out, my trainer's name is Noor. Typically when we walk in for the day, it just depends on what movement we're doing, but we're pretty consistent. We separate everything by body part, of course. I hate plyometrics and I hate running, but I do like lifting weights. So we'll do lots of compound movements, deadlifts, bench press. I would like to be the most yoked chef in the game, but we're working on it, all right? We're getting there. The one thing I want people to know is just in general, if you want to eat better, it doesn't have to taste bad. Cooking it yourself, working on your own technique, becoming a better cook is what will make your food better, and it can be healthy at the same time. So if you're looking to lose weight or tone up or whatever you're trying to do, it can still be an enjoyable experience if you just take the time to make your food right. I'm Joshua Weissman, and that's a bit about how I eat.